Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experience with us. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialities. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.